Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve one more question of NEET 2025. Let us see what is the question here. Two identical charge conducting spheres A and B have their centers separated by a certain distance. Okay. Charge on each sphere is small q. Okay. And the force of repulsion between them is F. A third identical uncharged conducting sphere is brought in contact with sphere A first and then with sphere B and finally removed from both. Okay. New force of repulsion between sphere A and B is that we are going to find out what will be the new force of repulsion between sphere A and B. Okay. Radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separation, so that for calculating force between them, they can be considered as point charges. Is best given as. Okay, so we are going to find out the new force of repulsion between A and B. Okay, so according to the question, A and B are identical charge conducting spheres. So let this is the sphere A and this is the sphere B. Okay, and they are having charges small q. Okay, now the third uncharged sphere is brought in contact with A. So the third sphere that brought in contact. Okay, so now the charge on A and on this one, that will be q by 2, and here also now it is q by 2. And now this sphere is taken in contact with sphere B. Okay, so if I put this here, then here was the charge q by 2 and here was the charge q. Total charge is q by 2 plus q, that is 3q by 2. Okay, and now this charge will be divided on both in equal amount. So we can say that on B now the final charge is 3q by 4. Okay, half of it will come on this one and half of it will come on this one. Okay, so 3q by 4. Okay, so q by 2 charge is on A and 3q by 4 charge is on B. That is the final charges. Okay, initially the force was F. So F was initial force, that was K q upon r square. Okay, and now the force, new force, that it is F dash, that will be K charge on A, that is q by 2, charge on B, that is 3q by 4, distance is same, r square. So from here we got F dash, that will be how much? 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and here it is k q upon r square. And what was k q upon r square? That was F. So we can say it will be 3 by 8 F. Okay, so new force, that will be 3 by 8 F. Okay, so from options we can check 3 by 8 F. It means the fourth option, that is the right answer. I hope you got it. Thank you. Thank you very much.